Today's lesson is 4.7 in our Go Math book. We're on page 197, and we are going to practice doing two-digit addition. The essential question is, how do you record the steps when adding two-digit numbers? It says choose one way to solve the problem, draw or write to show what you did. We're going to use the strategy that we've just been learning about and practicing. The word problem says there are 45 boys and 63 girls who ran in the race. How many children ran in the race? So we're going to use our addition strategy that we've been doing. So make a T in this box. That's to keep our numbers straight and we know what we're adding. So we're going to start with the 45 boys and 63 girls. We need to draw that line. That's like our equal sign here. And we need a plus sign because we need to let people know what it is we're doing. So 5 plus 3 is 8. We're going to put that on the side. So I don't need to regroup here because I did not get 10 or more. I just have 8. So I'm going to put that down in the ones place. And then I'm going to go to my tens place. I have 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now normally I would tell you that when you're adding you can only put one digit in each place, but because this is our last column to add, we have nothing else to add, I can write my 10 down here. 6 plus 4 is 10. So my answer is 108. I can put that there because I have nothing else to add, so there's no place for me to regroup. So let's turn our paper over. And we're on page 198. We're going to go to the top where it says model and draw. Mrs. Myers sold 47 snacks before the game. Then she sold 85 snacks during the game. How many snacks did she sell? So step one is to add the ones. If we look at 47 plus 85, we have 7 and 5 in our ones place. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now I've asked my students when you add your ones to put that answer on the side so that you can see that. And you will regroup your 12 ones as 1 10 and 2 ones. So I put my 2 in the ones place and my 1 10 up here. Then we're going to add the tens. We have 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals 13. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 more is 13. So 13 tens can be regrouped as 100 and 3 tens. Write the hundreds digit and the tens digit in the sum. So we can just put that 13 right down there because we have nothing else to add, no other place to regroup. So our answer is 132. So we're just going to practice adding two-digit numbers. 38 plus 94, we go to our ones place first. 8 plus 4 is 12. We put the 2 in the ones place, we put the 110 in the tens place, and we're going to add. I can see that I have a 9 and a 1, that will make a 10, plus 3 will be 13. The answer is 132. 45 plus 52, I'm going to go to my ones place. 5 plus 2 is 7. I'm going to write that on the side. I did not get an answer of 10 or more, so I don't need to regroup. I can just write my 7 down there and then add my tens. 4 plus 5 is 9, and my answer is 97. 83 plus 76, I go to my ones first. 6 plus 3 is 9. I'm going to put that on the side. And again, I did not get 10 or more, so I don't need to regroup, so I put my 9 ones down. And 8 plus 7 is 15. And I'm done adding, so I can just put that down, and the answer is 159. Number 4, 56 plus 35. 6 plus 5 is 11. So I can put my 1 1 down and my 110 up here. And 5 plus 3 is 8, and 1 more is 9. The answer is 91. 3 plus 1 is 4. I put that on the side. I don't need to regroup because I didn't get 10 or more, so I put my 4 down. And 6 plus 5 is 11. And I can just write that down. 114. 74 plus 49. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put that on the side. So I can see that I have 3 ones. And I have 1 10 that needs to go here. And 7 plus 4 is 11, and 1 more is 12. The answer is 123. So we're going to go to the next page, which is 199. And on the top part, you are going to write the sum. You're going to complete this on your own, but I want you to remember to write the sum for your ones on the side before you record it at the bottom. Number 16 is a hot question. It says, without finding the sums, that means they don't want us to add these, circle the pairs of addends for which the sum will be greater than 100. That means in our tens place, we have to get 10 or more. So let's look at this pair right here, 73 and 18. If we go to our tens place, we only have a 7 and a 1. Are we going to be able to get to 10 tens? No, we are not. Let's go to 54 and 71. If we look at our tens, we have 5 tens and 7 ones. Can we get to 10 tens? Yes, because 5 and 7 already is 12. So we know we will be over 100. So we're going to circle this one. 47 plus 62. Let's look at our tens. We have a 6 and a 4. Can we get to 10 or more? Yes, we can, because 6 and 4 is 10, and so that means that we will be at least 100. Circle that. And 36 plus 59, if we go to our tens, we have 3 tens and 5 tens. Will we make 10 or more? No, 3 and 5 is 8. So we have these two that we circled, and it says explain how you decided which pairs to circle. So what did we look at? We looked at the tens place. To see if we would get a sum of 10 or more. Remember, in each one of these we checked our tens place to see if it would add up to 10 or more. That would mean our answer would be at least 100. So let's turn our paper over. We're on page 200. This is a mid-chapter checkpoint, so you are going to do this on your own. I'll just read these to you. So at the top it says break apart ones to make a 10, then add and write the sum. So we haven't done this in a while, but 37 plus 8, you're going to break apart this 8 to help you get to the next 10 there. And number 2, 55 plus 7, you're going to break apart this 7 to help you get to the next 10 there. On number 3, it says break apart the addends to find the sum. So you're going to write the expanded form for 27 and the expanded form for 36. Then add your tens and your ones and get your final answer. On numbers 4, 5, and 6, you're going to do what we've been practicing in this lesson. You're going to go to your ones place first, add your ones, write your answer on the side before you record down below, and regroup if you need to. You're going to do that for all 3. And number 7, Julia collected 25 cans to recycle. Dan collected 14 cans. How many cans did they collect? So out here on the side, let's make a T. Julia recorded 25 cans. So write your 25. Dan collected 14 cans. You need to write your 14. Draw your line. They want to know how many cans they collected, so you're going to add. Go ahead and add and find your answer and fill in the dot in front of the correct one. And when you have completed all of these things, you are done with your assignment.